Hi everyone, it's Giselle Marie with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to apply your very own eyelash extensions. The ones that I will be using today, I got from Walmart and they were about $9 from the Kiss brand. See, these eyelashes are longer and thicker. These ones only come with the eyelash glue, as you can see here. They don't come with the eyelash remover. I have seen on Google that what you can use is just regular makeup remover to remove them, and honestly it is not hard at all to remove your eyelashes on your own when you use these ones. I know that it is super hard when you get them professionally done, but with these ones you will not have that problem, and your real eyelashes will not come out with the eyelash extensions when you try to remove them. That being said, I will now show you guys how to apply your own eyelash extensions. The short eyelashes go on your inner corner, and medium they go from like the middle towards the outer corner. Another thing that I did remember is if you want your eyelashes to last longer, then just make sure to not be wearing any makeup, and washing your face will get you better results, because then you will be removing all the oils from your skin and stuff like that. Now I will be zooming you guys in so that you can get a better look of me applying the eyelash. So it is up to you if you want to apply the eyelash at the bottom or at the top of your real eyelashes. In this case, I will be applying them at the bottom to give it a more natural look. But if you have problems doing that, then you can just apply it like a regular eyelash, the same way that you apply it. I know. You wait for the glue to get tacky and then you apply it to your eyelash. And there is the first one. You can't see it because I really don't have much eyelashes in my inner corner, but it's right there. Yes. And then when you're done, you're obviously going to press all of them together and lift them. Another thing is, don't add too much glue because it actually makes it harder for your eyelash to glue onto your real ones. And for the sake of this video, I am just going to fast forward the rest of it because it is pretty self-explanatory. You just keep doing the same thing, but I will show you guys the process of it. I decided to do my hair and makeup just to show you guys what the eyelashes look like, give you an idea for when you do your makeup if you decide to try the eyelash extensions. These should last up to 2 weeks. I really think it depends on how oily your skin is. My skin personally is super dry, so even when I get my eyelashes done professionally, yes, they last up to more than a month because I take care of them and I don't have oily skin. I think that those two factors contribute a lot to how long the eyelash extensions last. But yeah, lastly, I would say when you take a shower, try to avoid this area. You can just wash your hair without touching your face, if that makes sense. If not, then I guess I suck at explaining. But yeah, just try to not mess with your eyelashes as much if you want them to last. Yeah, that being said, I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed watching this video or found it useful, or both, you know, either or, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please, please, please. And thank you. I will see you in my next video.